So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Mook-Hole Microfiber Mop Cleaning House Slippers, okay? They are detachable mopping shoes, you guys. And you guys, first of all, these are super comfortable. Second of all, how novel are these, okay? So I'm going to show you guys a close-up of exactly what you can expect with these. And then I'm going to put them on my feet and allow you guys to see how they work in action. So I'm going to show you guys a close-up of these just so you guys can see. First and foremost, look how comfortable they look, okay? Think about these on your feet, all right? Not only do you have the mopping action on the bottom, but they are really super comfortable. The other side of it is they are removable by Velcro, okay? So this is to show you guys what they look like when you take off the Velcro portion of the shoe. And guys, these are super comfortable on your feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what they look like on my feet. Okay, so I showed you guys that you guys have an option or two with these, okay? First of all, these are the purple ones. You have a brown option as well, okay? And with these, guys, they're super comfortable. So imagine putting cleaning solvent on your floor and then just walking through and literally rubbing those things out with your mop shoes, okay? Like, you can't go wrong with these. And I'm just excited about them. I mean, look at how awesome they look. And guys, they're super comfortable. Literally, because of the cushionness of the mop on the bottom of your shoe, you're going to feel like you're standing on cushions. And it feels absolutely amazing on the feet. They're super comfortable, okay? And convenient as all get out. So imagine what you might have done before, taking out the mop, doing all the extra. With these, you can just put your cleaning solvent on the floor and just walk through like you normally would to mop the floor. This is the most novel idea ever. And so super simple. This is something you can incorporate within your entire family. So if you have kids, they're gonna get a kick out of this, okay? But I had to share these with you guys because they're just so super comfortable and super convenient.